What are you doing? Do you want help? Okay, come here. You want to change your shirt? She's becoming very independent. You gotta turn around. You gotta turn around. I gotta get it from back here. Okay.
Hey everyone! With the work week ahead of us, we like to meal prep so that Bree can. Well, let's start over.
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, you have to say hey, everyone.
Hi everybody.
We are meal prepping. This video is going to be a caveat to our last video that we posted, which was setting up our family home gym. And we're trying to eat a little bit healthier. So Andrew and I started prepping all of our vegetables and our meats, at least like the chicken breast, the week before. So basically we go grocery shopping on Thursdays. So our week before is Friday through Wednesday. And this is from last week. This is our bag of cabbage. And yeah, so we're just gonna kind of take you through and show you what it looks like as we meal prep everything. We don't do anything fancy. I choose the most price efficient vegetables and meats. At the beginning of the week, or before we started doing this, I calculated how many grams of protein Andrew and I would need. You should shrink down for the whole week, and then we added in for our kids.
My legs are killing me.
As well. So you're going to see us go through, and I'm cooking dinner right now as well, so I'm kind of going back and forth. But yeah, all the vegetables that we have, the meats that we have, and we're just gonna go through and prep everything. It makes our lives easier here in the Lee household to eat a little bit more clean and not make excuses to snack on things that we really shouldn't be snacking on. Let's get started! Yay! Okay, so I just got done putting Zoe to sleep, and Andrew is holding the camera, and he finished bagging up and chopping up the rest of the vegetables. We still have some cabbage in the refrigerator that is left over from last week, as well as some other broccoli and I think one more little bit of something. But all of this is going to go into our compost pile out in the chicken enclosure, so they can have free range of pecking at this, or it'll just turn into compost. And then since it's a little bit late tomorrow when Andrew's working, I'm going to go through and I'll show y'all how I prep all of the chicken that we have for the week. All right, so this is kind of what it looks like for every dinner in the evening. I use the cast iron skillet to grill up our veggies. So tonight we're having sweet potatoes, cabbage, and lentils. Sometimes we'll do the Brussels sprouts and broccoli. I know that's a lot of fiber, but we've been doing this for a while now, so it doesn't feel like a lot of fiber, if you know what I mean. And then we have our rice cooker. Of course, all of y'all, maybe not everyone has seen that video, but we always have rice on deck here in our house. But we fry up the veggies, and then I've already cooked the chicken in here with some seasonings, and we'll just plate everything, and that's pretty much how we cook up our veggies. I just fry them on the cast iron skillet. That's it. This might be hot, so be careful. It's okay, we can get a shot of dinner of us eating. Banana peel, but the kids didn't take off the sticker. I'll just throw that in the trash. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how we prep the chicken. Zoe is rearranging pots and pans right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I do, or what I did, so that way we can kind of wrap up the whole food prep video, which I don't even know if anyone's truly, you know, interested in all of this information, but everyone food preps a little bit differently. And this is just how we do it. So maybe our way will be of help to you. Don't know, but here it is. All right, so here we have all of our, get this opened up, chicken breast. And I just throw everything into the oven and bake it in there with some seasonings on that. And then here and here, hold on baby, just 1 second. We have, just one-handed, thighs. Andrew loves chicken thighs, so that's what that is. And so what we do is I just make sure that I'm getting about 100 grams of protein per day. And then with the kids and then Andrew, I've calculated everything all together. And before I go grocery shopping, I look at the weight of all of the meat that we purchase, and then I just calculate it out as far as like how much protein everyone in the family needs, what's essential for the whole week of worth of meal prep, and I buy it. We do have some ground chicken in the refrigerator still, and we also have some ground beef in the refrigerator as well. Ground beef, yeah. We have already eaten some of it, some meats from before, but anyways, that's how I choose how much protein we need. And then I actually kind of like come in a little bit under, because we eat lentils and sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts and, you know, other types of vegetables as well. But lentils are pretty high in protein. So we don't need to buy, you know, strictly meats just for all of our protein intake. But all this to say, you know, meal prepping can be it can be boring. But, you know, we just have a family goal of just maintaining our health and trying to be aware and in control of the foods that we're putting into our bodies. So that way, when the time comes, like for us, then we're like, you know, let's make a pie or something like that. It's not like we're always eating sugar, or if we want to take the kids to McDonald's, we're not always eating a McDonald's. So that is how we meal prep here in the Lee household. If you found this video helpful or entertaining in any way whatsoever, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and if you ring that notification bell, you will be in the loop every time we release a new family living video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye. Hi, honey. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Almost ran into the bowl.